Eid Qurban is here today. We're so happy, hip hip hooray. Me, mom and dad all smile, celebrating all the while. Our goat is here for just a bit, soon we'll honor it, this is it. The special time is drawing near, with love and joy and heart sincere. Eid Qurban, everyone's ready, so much fun. Children watch with eyes so wide at the funny goat by our side. I wish you all the very best, Eid to you and all the rest. Remember those near and far, children of Palestine, places scarred. Be kind to the old and kids like you, let love and peace shine brightly through. Be kind to the old and kids like you, let love and peace shine brightly through. Happy Eid Qurban to everyone near and far, and may your hearts be filled with joy like a shining star.